रुका, साइड में लगा, साइड में ले।
So guys, it's 6:52. We are leaving for Panchgani. This weekend we are going to Hostel Panchgani, which is 272 kilometers away from our place. It usually takes 6.5 hours to reach if you go through Pune, and if you take the old Mumbai Goa highway, it will take 7.5 hours. So right now we have covered about 90 kilometers.
So guys, we have currently reached Lonavala, 100 kilometers from our place. So we are just taking a small snack break. So we will be leaving in roughly about 15-20 minutes, and then see you back on the road then. और चाय आ गई, और चाय आ गई है, ये हमारा चाय वाला.
Weather is sunny and it feels like the temperature is around 32 degrees Celsius, and we are bypassing Pune and we have reached near Mangaldev. Here we are in New Katraj Tunnel, located on NH48, which is a 3-lane tunnel and stretches up to 1.5 kilometers. This tunnel is a part of India's Golden Quadrilateral project.
Right now we are crossing the Neera river. We are riding through the Khandala Ghat. It's about 7 kilometers long and has a good 3-lane road. After covering 250 kilometers, you need to take the exit and head towards Y village. After covering roughly 10 kilometers, you will find Mapro Food Park to your right. So we are at the Mapro Food Park. Here you can buy all kinds of Mapro products, starting from the syrups, jelly chocolates, jams, and other edible products. Also, their strawberry vanilla ice cream is a must try if you visit this food park. Now there are single lane roads till Panchgani. Once you cross Y, you will have to cross a small ghat to reach the hostel, which is just before Panchgani. Finally, we have reached the hostel Panchgini.
We have booked a private container room and a unit in the mixed dormitory. Here is a view from the private container room.
So this is the mixed dorm. Actually, previous time we had visited here, I stayed in the private container. So this time I had to try the dorm. So let's see how the experience turns out. These are the bunk beds and mirrors. And this is the toilet area.
This is a view from level 1. This is a common room where you can chill, relax, play games, and eat your meal.
So guys, here's the first activity from hostel people. It's a trek.
सो बेसिकली उनका एक स्मॉल ट्रैक होता है जहाँ पे उनका एक बंदा आपको पहाड़ की इस चोटी पे लेके जाएगा. ओके, यू हैव टू मेक योर वे थ्रू दिस माउंटेन एंड देन it takes roughly about 15-20 minutes. So yeah, that's about it.
So we are planning to take a time lapse after going there. So see you at the time lapse.
In the night, there's a campfire right in front of common room where you can play your music, dance, and interact with other hostel mates. You can find board games, foosball table, and other interesting games spread across the entire common room. Hostel Panchgani is a very good weekend getaway destination where you can chill, relax, and enjoy the scenic beauty of the valley. Make new friends, go on treks, enjoy to the fullest. This is what Hostel Panchgani is all about. Zostel has also introduced a move-in feature considering the current work from home trend, wherein you can book your stay for over a week or a month depending upon your requirement. Now we are leaving for Mumbai after a short and pleasant weekend stay at Zostel. This time, as the stay was short, we couldn't entirely explore Panchgani, but surely next time when we come back, it will be for a good long stay. There was some problem with the other bike and it wasted most of our time, but luckily it started and we are directly heading towards Pune.
टाइम वेस्ट करना तो पहले ही बोल देते उधर ही रह जाते थे मैं
After an hour's struggle, we are back on the road and we'll try to cover maximum distance as possible. Cross Pune, we'll be reaching Lonavala in a while. Reach Navi Mumbai and we'll be reaching back home in an hour. Finally, we are back home.
So this was a 2-day bike trip in which we covered 560 kilometers from our place to the hostel and back. The overall road conditions were quite good apart from some parts of the road.
The overall staying experience at Zostel Panchgani was very good, and apart from that, the reason why you guys have been waiting till the end of the video to see कि starting of the video में क्या exactly problem होता है, that we'll explain now in detail. Over to you.
So while we were like checking out from Panchgani's hostel, so we kept our bikes like for pole start for around 5 minutes and then हम लोग ने checkout formalities किए. उसके बाद मैं अपने बाइक की तरफ आया तब वो बाइक चालू नहीं हो रहा था. So first observation was कि इग्निशन होल जो था वो चालू नहीं हो रहा था. सो उसके बाद मैंने अदर इलेक्ट्रिकल्स चेक किए तो वो भी चालू नहीं हो रहे थे. सो लाइक नियरली अबाउट 40 minutes वी इन्वेस्टेड एंड लकीली इट्स गॉट स्टार्टेड. सो आवर डिसीजन वाज कि विल डायरेक्टली हेड टुवर्ड्स पुणे. रीज़न बीइंग रॉयल एनफील्ड के सर्विस सेंटर्स पंचगनी के अराउंड कहीं नहीं थे. सो दिस इज ड्यू टू दिस रीजन्स हम लोग के 2 स्पॉट्स विच वी हैव ऑलरेडी प्लान्ड कि वाइल एंडोटिंग मुंबई हम लोग को कवर करेंगे, बट वी मिस दैट.
But before reaching Pune, we encountered the same problem. We were at the Khed Shivpur toll plaza और बाइक वापस स्टार्ट होना प्रॉब्लम कर रही थी. So we tried to contact the nearby garages but no mechanics were available at that time. So after trying for 1 hour, we thought के let's try to jump start the bike and luckily bike jump start हो गई.
So वहाँ से we directly decided कि we will head directly non-stop to Pune. वहाँ पे किसी सर्विस सेंटर को दिखा के विल फिक्स द इशू. Okay, but luckily after covering 2 to 3 kilometers, there was a RE authorized service center right next to the highway. So we went there. The service personnel checked the overall bike. They said that there was an issue with the battery terminals. Okay, that is why there was a fluctuations in the overall current getting passed through the keyhole and the kill switch. So yeah, so he checked it up. He said ki now it is okay, and until and unless there is no major other problem, you are good to go directly to Mumbai. So we then continued our ride directly to Mumbai because already हमारा time बहुत ज़्यादा waste हो गया था while we were leaving from Zostel, stranded at the toll plaza for an hour about two, and then we managed up and we started our journey back home.
सो अगर आपको सेम इशू अगर होता है जैसे कि बाइक चालू नहीं हो रही है तो बेसिक है कि वो बैटरी का इशू हो सकता है, नहीं तो सबसे बेसिक करो कि जंप स्टार्ट करो बाइक को. सो अगर आपका टूल किट रहेगा नहीं रहेगा तो प्लीज़ कैरी करना. हाँ, फॉर अलॉय व्हील्स मीर कैन यू प्लीज.
सो बेसिकली अलॉय व्हील्स का अगर आपके पास बाइक है सो यू कैन डबल स्टैंड पे उसको लगा के फर्स्ट गियर पे डालना है एंड जस्ट पुल अप द टायर टूवर्ड्स यू. 90% ऑफ द टाइम इट विल डेफिनेटली स्टार्ट. But if you have spike wheels and spoke wheels, sorry, so you can ask someone to push your bike first gear pe dalo and then try to jump start it. Okay, so if you like this video, please click the like button.
If you're new to our channel, please click the subscribe button.
Share it with your circles with whom you would like to visit the hostel.
Until then, like,
Share.
Subscribe
to our channel HYM Redefined.
Everything changes.